Luxury is no longer defined by spacious apartments and premium amenities alone. Home buyers are looking for homes that offers privacy, comfort, open spaces, and a lifestyle that feels truly elevated. Keeping this in mind, Gera Developments has introduced Gera Aviv Towers in East Kharadi, a premium residential tower that brings together spacious homes, wellness-focused living, and one feature that immediately stands out: private pool residences. But is it enough to make this project worth considering? Or does it offer much more in terms of location, planning, lifestyle, and long-term value? Let's find out. In today's video, we will have a complete look at Gera's Aviv Tower by buyer's perspective. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding on whether this project is a right fit for your needs or not. Welcome to Property Pilot Ventures. Here we explore residential projects from a practical buyer's perspective, helping you understand what each project offers beyond the marketing brochures. So without wasting any time, let's begin with today's walkthrough and explore Gera's Aviv Towers East Kharadi. So let's start with the overall concept of this project. Gera Aviv Towers is a part of 7 acres residential community, which is designed around the idea of modern wellness and comfortable living. Rather than focusing only on luxury finishes, this project aims to create homes that feels open, spacious, and well connected to everyday life. One of its biggest highlight is private pool residences, a feature that is still quite rare in Pune's residential market. Along with that, apartment offers spacious layouts, large sit-outs, and two-sided open planning, allowing better ventilation and natural light throughout the home. Overall planning feels thoughtful and practical, with equal attention given to the both lifestyle and everyday comfort. Now let's talk about the location. Gera's Aviv Tower is located in East Kharadi, one of the Pune's fastest growing residential and commercial destinations. Over the last few years, this area has seen significant growth due to expansion of IT parks, commercial developments, and improving infrastructure. As a result, East Kharadi has become a preferred choice for both home buyers and investors. The project also enjoys easy access to schools, hospitals, shopping centers, restaurants, and other daily convenience, making everyday life much more comfortable. A good location is important, but connectivity also plays an equally important role. From the project, major IT hubs are easily accessible, making daily commute convenient for working professionals. Pune International Airport is also well connected, while Nagar Road provides smooth access to several important parts of the city. Overall project offers a good balance between present-day convenience and future growth potential. Moving on to the residences, Gera's Aviv Towers offers only premium configuration: 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, and 4.5 BHK. Sundeck residences are available in two layouts: the 3 BHK Grand with a carpet area approximately 1062 square feet, and 3 BHK Royal offering 1264 square feet. For buyers looking for something more exclusive, this project also offers private pool residences, which includes 3 BHK with a carpet size approximately 1369 square feet, 3.5 BHK with a carpet size approximately 1677 square feet, and spacious 4.5 BHK with a carpet size 2224 square feet. The layout feels spacious with a well-planned living space, large sit-outs, and a good natural ventilation. For those who value privacy and premium lifestyle, private pool residences are undoubtedly one of the project's strongest highlights. Now let's look at lifestyle amenities. This project allows a wellness-focused approach, offering a space that supports both relaxation and an active lifestyle. Residents will have an access to branded gym, spa, nutrition cafe, digital detox zone, and a private cafe. And for sport enthusiasts, there's a tennis and pickleball court, indoor badminton court, and a dedicated sports arena. The project also has jacuzzi, landscape open spaces, and multiple leisure areas, designed for families and residents of all age groups. Overall amenities have been planned to support everyday life, rather than just simply adding luxury features. Now let's talk about the pricing. 3 BHK Sundeck residences starts approximately from 1.36 crore, and larger 3 BHK Royal starts approximately from 1.58 crores. The private pool residences starts from Rs 1.81 crore for 3 BHK, around 2.24 crore for a 3.5 BHK, and approximately 3.1 crore for a spacious 4.5 BHK. considering the project's premium positioning, spacious layouts, and exclusive feature. The pricing is aligned with its segment. The project is currently in its launch phase. For buyers, it usually means better inventory selection along with the opportunity to benefit from early launch pricing and offers. If you're looking for a premium home in East Kharadi, then this is a good time to explore the project. From an investment point of view, East Kharadi continues to be one of the Pune's strongest residential market, with established IT hubs, growing commercial activity, and continuous infrastructure growth. The area has shown consistent demand over the years. And another positive factor is developer itself. Gera Development has built a strong reputation in Pune's residential market, especially in premium segment. The addition of private pool residences gives this project a unique identity compared to other developments in this area. That said, investment decision also consider factors such as pricing, future infrastructure, surrounding developments, and your own financial goals before making a final choice. So what do we think about Gera's Aviv Towers? The project stands out for its wellness-focused planning, spacious layouts, private pool residences, and its location in one of the Pune's fastest-growing neighborhoods. It offers a combination of lifestyle, comfort, and exclusivity that will appeal to buyers who is looking for something beyond conventional apartments. If you are looking for a premium home in East Kharadi, then this project is worth exploring. However, as always, the right property is the one which matches your budget, lifestyle, and long-term goals. So take your time to compare location, layouts, pricing, and overall offerings before making the final decision. In Property Pirate Venture, we believe buying a home is the biggest decision you will take, and right information makes all the difference. So if you found this walkthrough useful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who is looking for home in Pune. And if you'd like to explore more projects in East Kharadi and within the same budget, then do check out our other property reviews. The moment you walk in, you will notice how open and spacious this home feels. With a 1,677 square feet carpet area, every corner has been thoughtfully designed to offer both comfort and luxury. Right at the entrance, on the right hand side, is the guest bedroom. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and the attached bathroom makes it comfortable and private space for your guests and family members. As we move in further, we arrive at the heart of the home, the living room. It's bright, spacious, and designed for everyday living, as well as entertaining. One feature that really stands out is the elegant bar counter, adding a sophisticated touch for hosting friends and family. And just beside it is the dining area, comfortably accommodating an 8-seater dining table, whether it's everyday meals or special celebration. This space is made for creating memorable moments, with calming views of your private pool in the background. The kitchen has been placed with functionality in mind. It offers ample workspace and is connected to a dry balcony, providing added convenience, storage, and ventilation. And now, let's talk about the highlight of this residence, your own private swimming pool. It's a feature that truly sets this home apart, giving you a personal space to relax, spend time with family, or simply enjoy a peaceful evening without stepping out of your home. Before checking out the bedroom, let me inform you first what Property Pilot Ventures offers you. Project USP and key highlights. Actual project location tour with a 360-degree view. Walkthrough of a sample flat, complete payment plans and EMI options. Home loan assistance, step-by-step booking process, expert guidance from start to finish, and the best part, all of this comes with a zero brokerage. So, what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your site visit with our complimentary cab service. Moving ahead, we have children's bedroom. It comes with a spacious walk-in wardrobe and a dedicated TV unit, creating a room that's both practical and comfortable as your child grows. And finally, we enter the master bedroom, a spacious and thoughtfully designed retreat that offers the perfect balance of comfort, privacy, and elegance. As we wrap up the tour, the private pool once again becomes the centerpiece of this home, bringing together luxury, privacy, and everyday comfort.
If you have any questions about project pricing, exclusive pre-launch offers, the EOI process, brochures, or if you'd like to book a site visit, simply click the link in the description below. If you're an NRI living in the UAE, USA, Singapore, UK, or any other country, you can connect with our team through the same link. If you found this video helpful and want updates on more premium real estate projects, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Property Pilot Ventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.